According to the World Health Organization, tobacco kills up to half of its users who don't quit. The tobacco epidemic is one of the biggest public health threats the world has ever faced, killing over 8 million people a year around the world. More than 7 million of those deaths are the result of direct tobacco use, while around 1.3 million are the result of non-smokers being exposed to secondhand smoke. Welcome back to True Health for Life. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both important and incredibly beneficial for our health, revitalizing our lungs and supporting the journey to quit smoking. And what better way to do that than through the power of fresh, nutritious foods? So, get ready to discover the top 10 fresh foods that can help revitalize your lungs and support you in quitting smoking. Before we dive into our list, it's crucial to understand why these foods are so beneficial for our lung health. Smoking damages our lungs over time, leading to inflammation and a buildup of harmful toxins. But by incorporating certain fresh foods into our diet, we can counteract some of these effects and promote lung health. Number 1. Apples. We all hear this famous quote, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," and it's especially true when it comes to lung health. Apples are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, which helps reduce inflammation in the lungs. Plus, their high fiber content can aid in cleansing the respiratory system. Apples can be beneficial because they contain a high level of antioxidants. Our lungs are highly susceptible to oxidative stress, which causes inflammation in breathing passageways. Therefore, foods with antioxidant properties are beneficial. Number 2. Leafy greens primarily. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain chlorophyll, which can help detoxify your body and support lung function. Incorporating these into your meals can provide a significant boost to your overall health. A recent study published in the journal ERJ Open Research found that leafy greens high in vitamin K, such as broccoli and spinach, may help keep your lungs healthy. A group of scientists from Denmark discovered that persons with low vitamin K levels were more likely to have impaired lung function and suffer from asthma, wheezing, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Number 3. Berries primarily. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for lung health. They're loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which helps repair and protect lung tissue. Adding a handful of berries to your breakfast or snacks can be a tasty way to support your respiratory system. New studies also show that if you eat a lot of berries, your lungs will be healthier because they are rich in antioxidants, a type of flavonoid, specifically anthocyanins, that work to maintain lung function. Anthocyanins are especially abundant in dark pigmented fruits and vegetables such as red grapes and blueberries. Therefore, to protect the lungs from damage as well as maintain lung function and prevent factors from developing some respiratory diseases, you need to add more vegetables to your diet. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its active compound. Research suggests that curcumin can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions and improve lung function. Adding turmeric to your cooking or enjoying a golden milk latte, curcumin, can be a soothing way to support your lungs. Turmeric was also used as a medicinal herb in several Asian medical systems, including Ayurveda, the traditional Indian medical system, as well as in traditional Chinese medicine. In India, turmeric was traditionally used for disorders of the skin, upper respiratory tract, joints, and digestive system. Today, turmeric is promoted as a dietary supplement for a variety of conditions, including arthritis, digestive disorders, allergies, liver disease, depression, and many others. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's also incredibly beneficial for your lungs. It contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation and even fight off respiratory infections. So, don't be shy about adding extra garlic to your dishes. Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which are beneficial in disease conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer. Recent studies have concluded that garlic has protective effects in lung cancer patients, and it can be a chemo-preventive agent for lung cancer. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger is another spice with impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Whether you enjoy it in teas, smoothies, or savory dishes, can have significant benefits for your lung health. For centuries, and Unani medicines, as ginger has contents like vitamin C, carotenoids, it can help soothe the respiratory system and ease symptoms of conditions like asthma. Incorporating ginger into your diet can have significant benefits for your lung health. Ginger has been used as a medicine and spice since ancient times throughout the world. It has been an important ingredient in traditional Ayurvedic for the treatment of different diseases. Zinc, iron, phosphorus, copper, manganese, fiber, and proteins. It has numerous health benefits to offer. Number 7. Oranges and citrus fruits. Oranges and other citrus fruits are renowned for their high vitamin C content, which plays a crucial role in lung health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help protect the lungs from oxidative stress caused by smoking and other environmental factors. Vitamin C boosts our immunity and helps us fight respiratory infections. According to research, vitamin C-rich fruits reduce wheezing in children and improve lung function and breathing in COPD patients. So, start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice for a lung-loving boost. Number 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a special mention when it comes to lung health. It's rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to help protect against respiratory conditions and even reduce the risk of lung cancer. Broccoli is a good source of vitamin A, which has anti-inflammatory properties and protects the lungs. So, don't forget to include broccoli in your meals regularly. Number 9. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of essential fatty acids, which play a crucial role in lung function. They also contain antioxidants and vitamins that can help reduce inflammation and support overall respiratory health. Snacking on a handful of nuts or adding seeds to your salads are easy ways to incorporate these lung-loving foods into your diet. According to Dr. Kaya Connolly, a California-based board-certified emergency medicine physician and health director at Trifecta Nutrition, walnuts are also a great source of magnesium, an important electrolyte that helps to support the muscles in your lungs. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids walnuts contain act as an anti-inflammatory, potentially reducing lung inflammation and improving your ability to breathe. Number 10. Water. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy lung function. Getting enough water is important for the lungs, as well as the rest of the body. The lungs are made up of a mucus lining, and drinking water can help to thin this lining. An excess of mucus can make you more vulnerable to infection, and sticky mucus can make breathing difficult. You can also inhale water vapor to drain the lungs of mucus. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps keep the mucous membranes in your respiratory tract moist, making it easier to expel toxins and irritants. So, be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your lungs happy and hydrated. Those were the top 10 fresh foods that can revitalize your lungs and support your journey to quit smoking. By incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet, you'll not only nourish your body, but also give your lungs the love and care they deserve. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, vibrant life. Until next time, take care and breathe easy.